Did you know that nearly 80% of the world's population still relies on herbal remedies as part of their primary health care? That's right. Despite the tremendous advances in modern medicine, billions of people continue to trust ancient plants and traditional formulas to heal, soothe, and restore. But here's a question for you. Are there any ancient herbs that have stood the test of time and rigorous scientific scrutiny? Have you ever tried an herbal remedy that actually worked? If so, you're not alone. And today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of ancient herbal remedies, uncovering which ones are truly effective, backed by both history and modern science. Throughout history, plants have been humanity's earliest form of medicine. From the rainforests of the Amazon to the mountains of China, nearly every culture developed a rich tradition of herbal healing, using roots, leaves, and flowers to combat everything from headaches to serious infections. These remedies were often passed down through generations, forming the foundation of traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda, traditional Chinese medicine, and Native American healing practices. In recent years, as interest in natural and holistic wellness has surged, ancient herbal remedies have made a comeback. People worldwide are rediscovering the power of plants, not just as supplements, but as alternatives or complements to conventional pharmaceuticals. However, this surge in popularity has also brought a wave of skepticism. With so many claims swirling around the internet and social media, how do you separate the truly effective herbs from those that are more myth than medicine? It's a valid concern. Many herbal treatments have been hyped without much evidence, and some can even be harmful if used improperly. But among the thousands of ancient remedies, a select few have been validated by rigorous scientific studies, confirming what our ancestors seemed to know all along. Let's explore some of these ancient herbs that have not only stood the test of time, but have also been proven effective by modern research. First on the list is turmeric, a golden yellow spice that has been a staple in Indian Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years. Traditionally used to combat inflammation and promote overall health, turmeric's active compound, curcumin, has been shown in numerous studies to possess powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Modern science has linked curcumin to reduced symptoms in conditions like arthritis, metabolic syndrome, and even depression. In one landmark study, curcumin was found to be as effective as some anti-inflammatory drugs, but without the side effects. Whether added to curries or taken as a supplement, turmeric is a prime example of an ancient remedy with modern-day relevance. Next, let's look at garlic. Ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans revered garlic for its ability to boost strength and fight infections. Today, research confirms that garlic contains compounds such as allicin that have potent antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal effects. Studies have shown that regular garlic consumption can help reduce blood pressure, lower cholesterol, and even enhance immune function. In fact, during World War I, garlic was used as an antiseptic to prevent gangrene when antibiotics were scarce, a testament to its enduring power. Another remarkable herb is ginseng, valued for thousands of years across Asia as a tonic for vitality and longevity. Ginseng is known as an adaptogen, helping the body resist stress and maintain balance. Scientific studies have found that ginseng can improve cognitive function, boost energy, and even enhance immune response. One study published in the Journal of Ginseng Research found that regular ginseng supplementation improved mental performance and reduced fatigue in healthy adults. The root's benefits are so pronounced that it remains a cornerstone of traditional Chinese medicine to this day. Let's not forget peppermint, a humble plant with a long history in both ancient Greek and Egyptian medicine. Used to soothe digestive issues and headaches, peppermint oil has been extensively studied for its effects on irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Clinical trials have shown that peppermint oil can significantly reduce IBS symptoms, including abdominal pain and bloating, making it one of the most effective natural treatments for digestive discomfort. Elderberry also deserves a mention. Used by ancient Europeans for its immune-boosting and antiviral properties, elderberry syrup has been shown in modern studies to reduce the duration and severity of colds and flu, A 2019 study found that elderberry extract could significantly shorten the duration of influenza symptoms, thanks to its high levels of antioxidants and flavonoids. To bring these remedies to life, let's dive into a compelling case study that highlights the power of one particular ancient herb, turmeric. Meet Sarah, a 42-year-old woman suffering from chronic knee pain due to osteoarthritis. Frustrated by the limited relief provided by standard painkillers and worried about long-term side effects, Sarah turned to an age-old solution she'd heard about from her grandmother, turmeric. She started incorporating turmeric into her daily routine, adding it to smoothies and curries, and even trying a high-quality curcumin supplement. Within a few weeks, Sarah noticed a significant reduction in her pain and swelling. Encouraged, she continued her regimen and, after several months, was able to return to activities she'd long given up, like morning walks and yoga. Curious about her experience, Sarah's doctor reviewed several clinical studies on curcumin and found strong evidence supporting its use in managing osteoarthritis symptoms. Inspired, he began recommending it to other patients, many of whom reported similar improvements. Sarah's story is not unique. Thousands of people across the globe have rediscovered the healing power of turmeric, and their experiences are now backed by a wealth of scientific evidence. This intersection of ancient wisdom and modern research shows just how powerful herbal remedies can be when used knowledgeably and responsibly. To recap, we've explored some of the most impressive ancient herbal remedies that actually work, according to both tradition and science. Turmeric, with its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits, has helped countless people manage pain and inflammation. Garlic, the ancient infection fighter, continues to support cardiovascular and immune health. Ginseng, the legendary adaptogen, boosts energy, focus, and resilience to stress. Peppermint, the digestive soother, offers real relief for those struggling with IBS and other gut issues. And elderberry, the immune booster, can help reduce the severity of colds and flu. These herbs remind us that ancient knowledge, when validated by modern science, can offer real solutions to today's health challenges. While not every herbal remedy lives up to its reputation, the ones supported by evidence provide a bridge between the wisdom of the past and the wellness needs of the present. If you're considering trying any of these remedies, remember to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you're taking other medications or have underlying health conditions. The best results come from combining the old with the new, respecting traditional wisdom while staying informed by the latest research. Have you tried any ancient herbal remedies that worked for you? Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your stories and learn from your journey. If you found this exploration of ancient herbal remedies helpful and want to discover more ways to enhance your wellness naturally, be sure to subscribe to the channel. There's a whole world of time-tested wisdom waiting to be rediscovered, and we're here to guide you every step of the way.